So here are Maisie and Diego's puppies, all 10 of them, born October 16th, just over 5 weeks old, and I've just changed the pen a couple of times, so I think they're pretty pooped out, literally. It's a good time to film, good time to videotape and see them all in action playing, all doing really well, totally weaned. I started the dry kibble now, and they scooped it up. I don't have to wet it down anymore, yay. And they're all very playful, very lively. I wouldn't say one is quieter than the other or more rambunctious than the other. They all have their moments. So there you go. You see some good scraps going on because they all have teeth. Sharp little shark teeth. Try not to talk too much, which is hard for me because when they hear my voice, they all freeze up. They already know to do their business on one side and sleep and play on the other. They catch on really fast with that. This is why I like their system with the two pens stuck together. It's instinct for them to get away from their messes. Very, very, very cute now. Little monster stage, I call it, 5 weeks. Yes, are you going to just sit there and stare, eh? Miss Colorful? You're just going to stare at the camera the whole time, aren't you? Come on, join in. I forget, what are they calling her? Luna, I believe. Yes. Mr. Green, Tagus. Starting a scrap. Try and get another angle. Who's over there? Is that what, Miss Purple? Zoe? I think that is. Oh, there we go. You get to see a puppy pooping too. Oh. Okay, I'll have to pick that up before they walk in it. There are a few poops with 10 puppies. I thought they were all pooped out. Oh, better grab that before you walk in it. Yeah. They're attracted to that like moss. Oh, there we go. Good one. Good scrap. Getting into it with each other. I used to worry how they used to scrap the puppies with each other, but it's all just fun and play. Normal puppy behavior. Hey there. Hi. Hey, cuties. Hi. Hello. Hi. They don't sit still for very long. Hey, Tagus, Mr. Green. Hey, look at the camera. Okay. He's kind of following me where I go with the camera. So. Yeah. I'll take a nice long video this week, I think, because they're so cute now. There. That's a cute photo. Whoa. Who's that? Oh, see, you finally perked up. Yeah, Miss Colorful. Well, that's Miss Flowers, pardon me. Anyway. Miss Colorful and Miss Flowers. It's good exercise for them to get over the middle like that. Get a good overview from here. Hey there, Lexi. Auntie visiting. Actually, not visiting. She lives here. Where's Diego? Hey? Diego! go. Hi there. The dad. Mom's gone back to her family. Dad's still here. Huh? Diego. Yeah, it's a good boy. Checking out his children just for a few seconds. Hey, picture perfect, aren't we? Only for a few minutes. Oh, shaky, shaky. Like I said, it doesn't look like this in the morning when I get up in the morning with 10 puppies. But that's okay. I clean it up quickly and we carry on. They all have their personalities and characters. Like I said, and you're only seeing a short video of their lives in the day, so they all have their different moods. And playtime's getting longer and longer. Okay, nice long video this week, huh? Fierce, fierce. Cute. All right, well, I'll sign off. Okay, break it up. Oh, bye-bye. I hope you enjoyed this week's video.